Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Pavel here again, and today we're going to talk about wireless microphone setup. If you are looking to record your own videos or interview someone, or you need one for your job, this video is good for you, because today we're going to review something new from Flipsky. This is Flipsky wireless microphone kit F8. Flipsky is normally known, or at least I know this company, for making electrical skateboard parts, and this is how I came across to these units right here. So I do use external wireless microphones to make the audio much better, to make the videos pleasant for you. Let's take a look what's in the box, and then we're just simply going to use this Flipsky microphone to talk to the camera. Okay guys, so what's in the box? For starters, it's a really nice packaging with a magnetic door shutter on the box. I know it doesn't mean a lot, however, you will be storing this unit somewhere, and why not to have a box that is pleasant. So inside the box, I went for a 1-to-1 unit. You can also get this 2-to-1, meaning you have two microphones that do record two people and one receiver that sends it to your camera for actual saving. So inside the box itself, we have two units. One of these is the actual microphone, that's the unit right here, and also the receiver. Don't worry, these are not the scratches on the screen. Still has the protective film over it. Then you have the user manual, the warranty card, another warranty card or QA pack card. You do have the dead cat, which is quite nice. You have a clip for it. So the way it works, you have a clip that goes over the microphone, and it has clips on the sides, and the dead cat slides over it like so, and that will stop or reduce any noise from wind. However, this microphone does come already pre-built or pre-installed with a high quality voice reduction firmware and hardware, which is quite good. You also get the connections. This is your connector for the receiver back to your camera. You get the triple charging port. Triple because this kit does come, if you want to, 2-in-1, which is awesome. And another one for the camera, the springy one. That's quite cool. So this will connect your receiver to your camera or to your phone. Okay guys, so as simple as this, you got two units. One of them is a microphone, so you can clip that to your shirt just like that, and then the second part goes into your camera. Simple. You turn it on, and you got the Flipsky logo and self-explanatory writings on the sides. Same thing goes for the receiver. And now they're paired up and good to go. So these units do support up to 50 channels, up to 100 meters of distance, but we'll test that. At the same time, I'm not sure why people would like 100 meters. What else we got in there? Well, volume. It's quite simple, to be honest with you. I mean, the menu is not complicated at all. You don't want these things to be complicated. You just want to turn them on, plug one to your camera, clip one to your shirt, and off you go. You can also use an external microphone if you want. So you plug it, you can plug it right there, and that's what I normally use. However, you don't have to. You can use this unit itself as a microphone, which should work quite great. As I mentioned, you can have multiple microphones going onto one receiver. So you can buy a kit, two microphones, one receiver. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now it's time to test it. Okay guys, so there is no better test than actually to be testing outside with some noises on the background. So we got some cars driving around, and we also got some wind, which is good. So at the moment, what I've got is a Rode setup with the external little tiny microphone. Okay, So what we're gonna do is we're going to do the range test and see how do you believe the sound is like or changing when I'm going away. So just to make it clear how far away I am, I'm gonna start counting the steps. 1 and 2, 3, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, I went all the way down at 25 meters. I'm not sure if you heard it or not. I don't know myself until I get to the to my studio. But this was 25-meter test with Rode and external microphone on it. Now let's try Rode without the external microphone, just the actual microphone that comes with the unit itself, which is this right here. And this is the way the Flipsky comes in. It doesn't have the external microphone. So let's test it again and see how the quality sound changed. I'm not sure if you can hear any quality sound changes already, but here we go. 8, 9, 10, 23, 24, 25. So that was 25 meters away with Rode setup. Now what we're going to do is, let's put the dead cat on the Rode. Imagine you don't have the external microphone, so it comes with a dead cat, which is quite cool. Because it's windy, and that's why I chosen this day to test this microphone, let's put the dead cat on it and see if it's going to actually affect the, not the quality, but to take the wind away, and also at the same time. And also let's see if it's going to affect the volume of the sound. So now, Rode setup with the dead cat on it. No external microphone. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know why I'm going away, because the dead cat is actually not affecting the range. I just wanted to see how the windy conditions affecting the actual and it's just to show it's windy. You can see the trees behind me. They are, you know, waving a little bit, which is quite good. I can hear the wind in my ears, so most likely the microphone is affected, which is a really good test. So now we will test exactly the same way, but we are going to use the Flipsky setup. Okay guys, so now we are on the Flipsky setup, and I've got exactly the same test. So we've got the external microphone, which is Rode. I didn't get the Flipsky one, and we'll do exactly the same test. Now I'm going walking backwards, same place, same wind. Oh, sorry, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3. So guys, I'm not sure if you heard me and at what meterage have you lost me, but I've done exactly the same as I've done with Rode. 25 steps, long ones, so about 25 meters. Now we're going to disconnect the external microphone from it. And we're going to 1, 2, 3. Just checking if the microphone is picking up. We're going to install the microphone exactly the same way on my collar, where I normally install the external microphone, and do exactly the same test. It's the same conditions, it's windy, so I am testing with the same wind volumes as well. No dead cat. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're going to install the dead cat on the Flipsky setup, because it is windy, as you can see by my disturbed haircut. And yes, they do provide one as well, same as Rode, which is quite nice. Here we go, wind is picking up. I don't know if you hear the wind blow into the microphone. Now we're going to install the dead cat and see if that's gonna do anything. It's a weird one. It's like a little hat. The Rode got that like clip. The Flipsky got a hat. Alright, so this is how it looks like with the dead cat on. Ah. 1, 2, 1, 2. And here's a car coming, can you hear it? And some parrots, can you hear the parrots? The Paris just flew right above my head. Okay, so sorry guys. Now, and we're going to put that on my collar. Oh, look at that. Wind is picking up really nicely. Nice, that's a good test. Now, I know walking away doesn't make any difference, but I'm still gonna walk away and do exactly the same what I've done before. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11. So, there we go guys. So now I am talking to you via Flipsky setup with the dead cat on it. And as you can see, it is quite windy. I'm not sure if the microphone is picking anything up. No idea, because I am not in my studio, I don't know. So here we go. I am in beautiful London, UK. And I'm shooting this video in a beautiful weather. Just look at the sky. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if the camera will pick this up. Yeah, it's not picking that up. But the sky is so beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous day today, guys. So how about in an office with some background noise of ventilation system and people around me? How about we try a big open space, and now we're going to step back them 100 meters and see if it's actually going to work. Раз, два, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'm 50 meters away, guys. 50 meters away. Well, let's give it another 10, 55, about 60. Well, if you can still hear me, I'm not sure. That's a good test. Now I'm walking back. About 50 meters now. Big and open space, a lot of echoing. Good test for the remote. Good test for the, I'm getting used to the skate part. Good test for the microphone. So how's the sound now, guys? The bit of echo? One, two, three. And how about on a street with some city noises in the background and a waterfall? And well, here I am, now you can see me. So I think it's not really too bad so far, what I can tell. This microphone is actually not too bad at all. Here I was, guys. There I am. So that's your city street test. How about if we add some traffic noise in the background? How's the sound now? How about beautiful city of London and the microphone test? How about if you are just, I don't know, vlogging and you want your audio to be 100% spot on, because people walking about, cars driving by, buses and the rest of it. So how's the sound now, guys? Just a bit more sound of the traffic in the city. And how about on a really large train station? Let's say 30 meters away. What do you reckon? What's the sound like, guys? Imagine you're talking about some architecture or whatever not, and you are vlogging away from the camera. A lot of background noise. How's the sound now? Or if you are shooting and pointing, but you just want your sound to be consistent with what you're doing. How's the sound now? How's the sound now? How about if we test the sound with the train sounds approaching us? So we're on underground and there's a train coming right on my side here. I just want to see how the sound is going to be. I am roughly about 5 meters away from the camera, so I'm not sure. You tell me. Well, let's test this sound filtration or the noise reduction. So I am now on underground in the moving train and it is really, really loud. So I'm not sure how the sound is. Hopefully you guys can hear it. That is really loud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Still trying to talk. I can hardly hear myself because when the train is turning, it makes a lot of that noise from the wheels. So that would be a really good test for any noise cancellation, I would have thought. A bit extreme, but at the same time, this is what I do. We test this stuff to its limits, isn't it? There we go. Much, much quieter. Normal rattling noise of the wheels, however, it's still a noise all around us. So, that will be it for this video, guys. So you decide what exactly you like about either Rode or the Flipsky. Well, the video is about the Flipsky, so if you like the Flipsky, by the way, you can use this code right here to get yourself $10 off the order if you want to, but if you don't, I don't really care. I just wanted to bring this to you, so anyone out there who is using cameras and external microphones to record the videos, which I do now, to make content or reach out to people out there, this is what you should do. Okay, so film safely, record your audio safely, and I see you very soon in one of my very exciting videos. See you later, guys. Bye.